Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn 1, 2, 3 countings. Let's start. Pink color. One. O-N-E. 1. Green color. 2. T-W-O. 2. Yellow color. 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. Purple color. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. Red color. 5. F-I-V-E. 5. Blue color. 6. S-I-X. 6. Orange color. 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Red color. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Blue color. 9. N-I-N-E. 9. 9. N-I-N-E. 9. Green color. 10. T-E-N. 10. Pink color. 11. E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. Yellow color. 12. T-W-E-L-V-E. 12. So kids, now we repeat all number. Let's start. 1. O-N-E. 1. 2. T-W-O. 2. 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. 5. F-I-V-E. 5. 6. S-I-X. 6. 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. 10. T-E-N. 10. 12. T-W-E-L-V-E. 12. So kids, what we learned today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.